What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2004 Harley Davidson Fatboy. Guys, this bike's awesome. It does have some flaws. It's an 04 with 20,000 miles. I mean, what can you expect? Got a couple scuffs here in the back fender. Scuffs right there. Got these smoked out turn signals and tail lights. 3 skulls. Those are screwed into the back, or those are just stickers? They may be just stickers. Chip right there. It's got Vance & Hines. It does have some scraping on the Vance & Hines, if you can see that. Skulls for days. Tank looks like it's in good shape on this side. I love this vintage Harley Davidson logo they got going on. That's super cool. All of the Willie G stuff for the, literally every single thing is Willie G. Does not have chrome lowers. Scuff on the outer mark of the case here. This one is missing. I'm gonna get a new one for that. Chip there on the front headlight. Scratch on the front headlight there. Scratch on the front fender. There's a scratch right there on the side of this tank. If you can see that, all Willie G on this side, this huge skull horn cover. There's a lot of chrome accents. The sissy bar is quick detach. Seat's in good shape. The passenger seat's in good shape. Top of the tank is in great shape. 26,749 miles on it. It's fired up. It runs great, guys. Like I said, 2005 Harley Davidson, 2004 Harley Davidson Fatboy. It's in good shape, guys. It's going to be super cheap. This bike will not last long. Let me know if it's something you're interested in, as well as check out the Bikes and Beards channel, as well as check us out on Instagram at Srkcycles. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.